Hello everyone, we welcome you all. Today we are going to show you different drawing techniques that are best suitable for the small kids. So let's first begin with this one. Here we are going to show you how we can convert some of the numbers into some beautiful different vegetables. This activity is very simple and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6. From the numbers 1 to 5 we have made different type of the vegetables like the mushrooms, carrots, chilies and etc. as it's apparent on your screens. Now we will move towards our another project. We are going to show you how we can make a beautiful girl from few easy simple steps. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. You can just pause the video so that you can try to trace it down perfectly. Don't forget to make it rock full of flair. From the number 2, we are going to convert it into a cute sparrow that's sitting on a tree. This activity is again very simple and very less time consuming. Let's move towards our another project. Here we have just written the numbers from 1 to 9. After that we are going to just trace them and convert them into different things. Like first one we have converted the one into the cherries, then the second into the chili, third one into the strawberry, into the lemon. You can see the fifth into the apple, sixth into some another type of. You can see from numbers we are able to create such a different kinds of the fruits, vegetables and some flowers as well. Let's move further. We are going to show you how we can make a dragon fruit. This fruit is very simple. It's our full shape. You just have to make some of from the inner side. These will represent the seeds of this fruit. Then fill it with some of the bright colors like the pink and the green one. Middle one is kept white. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. We are going to show you using some of the shading and different colors. We can come 3D look of this heart and the oval shape. Just give it a try. It's very less time consuming also and it doesn't need much of your time. Again, let's make use of some of the numbers from 1 to 6 and convert them into different images. These type of the activities are very easy and they are very less time consuming. You just have to be careful while you are filling them with the colors. You can just make it more and more beautiful. So be careful while you are using the colors. I have here used the sketch ones. You can go for the pencil one. That's the basic one. Be careful so that you can just make and fill it perfectly. Let's move towards our next project. Here we are going to show you how we can make the elephant from these circular circles that we have created in somewhat we can say ascending order, small, big and the bigger. Now you just have to pause the video, then you just have to join them as shown here. Join the lines according to the sequence that we have given in this video. This is very simple and you can definitely give it a try. Next we are going to show you how we can make a rose out of this heart shape. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Be careful while you are filling it with colors so that this will look more and more good. We are using the bright red color. You can use any other color because roses are of different types and different colors. Thank you for watching our videos.